It's Raghav, and today I'm going to tell you how to create the automation framework by using POM design pattern. So in this framework we will discuss about Maven, testNG and Excel file for test data, configuration file and reporting, and for continuous integration we will use Jenkins. So first of all, if we want to create the Maven project, then two folders will be there. First one is src man java and src test java. So guys, for first folder src main java, in this folder we will create packages just like a base class and test data and reporting portion and pages. Okay, and in src.test.java folder, inside we will create two packages, which is first one is for test cases, so package name will be test, and second one is for to execute that test script, test cases, so driver script. Okay guys, so let's start how to create the framework. So here we need to create a project, just like just control N, or you can go through the file. So here we need to select Maven project, you can see. Okay, so just click on next. So I just need to create a simple project. Okay, so just check this option, click on group ID. You need to give group ID whichever you want, but it should be specific. So अगर आपको चाहिए कि यहाँ पे for example YouTube or something else according to your company or your project, and artifact ID. So these two folders should be mandatory. Okay, after this finish button will be visible. So इस पर क्लिक करने पे क्या होगा, ये प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट हो जाएगा, जैसे मैंने किया हुआ है प्रैक्टिस करके. अब इसमें दो फोल्डर यहाँ पे आएंगे. वैसे तो 4 फोल्डर्स आते हैं, 2 सोर्स वाले फोल्डर्स होते हैं. सोर्स वाले फोल्डर्स काम की नहीं होते, तो वैसे मैंने उसे डिलीट कर दिया. आप भी उन्हें डिलीट कर सकते हो. तो बेसिकली वी हैव 2 मेन फोल्डर्स विच इज src main java and src test java. So inside src main java I have created 6 packages, which is the first one is base. Inside there are test base class, and we have another package config, then extend report listener, and pages and test data, then utility. Then we have a driver script, and we just need to create a package for test cases. Okay, so just we have created a package which is test. Okay, so inside the base class, and we have one very important file which is pom.xml. This is the Maven project, so we don't need to configure, we don't need to download that WebDriver jar file or any testNG file. So here we can just need to add dependencies in pom.xml file. So I just double click on this, and I have added a dependency for Selenium. You can find it in Google. Okay, so Google, you just need to type Selenium Maven dependency, then this dependency should be there, and you just need to copy and paste it here under dependencies tag. Okay, So I have created, I have added dependencies for Selenium and तो गाइस मैं आपको बता रहा था कि यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना है, डिपेंडेंसीज में ऐड कर दी। आप डिपेंडेंसी कैसे ऐड करोगे, तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे मेवन डिपेंडेंसीज जो नाम का एक अपनी लाइब्रेरी यहाँ पे ऐड हो गई है। यहाँ पे देखेंगे यहाँ पर सिलेनियम की जितनी भी फाइल्स है वो सब यहाँ पे ऐड हो गई है, और testNG की फाइल है वो भी अपने यहाँ पे ऐड हो गई है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे अब अपन क्या करेंगे, अपन ने सारे पैकेज बना लिए, बेस कॉन्फ़िग एंड एक्सटेंड रिपोर्टिंग। अब मैं क्या करूँगा, अब मैं एक बेस क्लास बनाऊंगा। ठीक है, बेस क्लास में हम क्या करेंगे, हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू ऐड अ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल। सो जस्ट राइट क्लिक एंड just click on only file link. Okay, so just config dot properties, you will have to give the extension. Okay, properties. Okay, so यहाँ पे अपन क्या करना पड़ेगा, first of all URL equal to which URL you want to execute. So it's like gmail.com or google.com. gmail.com. Then username, it's like my username is gmail.com. Password should be confidential, so here we need to enter password ABC. Okay, and this is enough. Okay, बाद में देखते हैं यहाँ पर आपने क्या जरूरत है। Let's Control S, save this configuration file. Let's go to base package. Now here we want to create the class file. Okay, so package name is base, and name is test base. Okay, confidence button. Create the initialization method to launch the browser, and we will initialize the webdriver inside this class. Okay, it is waiting. So first we will have to load that application file. So just create configuration file, means properties file. Okay, so with properties, so I am creating the reference variable for properties. Something wrong with the class, it is not just my okay properties, so just keep the name top. Okay, now string that must be capital, soon part of that configuration file. So you just need to right click on the configure properties. We just need to copy that path. Okay, double dot you have to put. Okay, so here is the right path. Okay, so just create a method to load that property file, public static void get property. here we need to create the object of that property. For that variable containing properties, okay, so we have to input that okay, so this is a static method, so we will have to make that variable static. Okay, so here we just need to create that input file stream object to get that file. So file input stream, new file input stream. Okay, so you just need to pass the path. Okay, paths should also be static. Okay. Let's try. Catch. Okay, so just here we just need to load that file. The file is start. Sorry, drop dot load. Here we need to pass the files. Okay, so we are done with the load properties. Okay, so now मैं यहाँ पे create करूँगा WebDriver का एक variable, and after that we will create a method for that to initialize that browser or launch a browser. Okay, so static WebDriver job. Right. So just create a method public static void and initialize. Okay, so first of all here we will have to load the properties, so just call that method load properties. Okay, so now string and browser name. Browser name means on which browser you need to launch your test cases. So browser equal to dot properties, and what is the name of your browser? No, we don't create a browser, so browser equal to POM. Okay, so here we just need to pass that name which is browser. Okay, now just create if condition that if browser dot equal for ignore case which browser, if the browser is gone, then you have to set the properties system dot set properties driver, and here we just need to path of that cron driver. So here we have okay, I have already created already added a Chrome driver inside that library folder. So just go to property and copy that path. We'll do one thing that this path हम यहाँ पे create, इसको यहाँ पे वेरिएबल अपन इसको यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल में अपन डाल सकते हैं, जो कि अगर इसका इन फ्यूचर कभी भी अगर इसका चेंज होता है पाथ, तो यहाँ पर उसको देख सकते हैं कि इसका पाथ कहाँ पर है. सो driver So here I just need to call that property prop.get property, okay, which is from drive. Got it? Now what is the error? And dot set property. Is not the properties. Okay. Now driver equal to new cron driver. Okay. Now give one more condition. If a browser equal to Mozilla, then the Mozilla browser should be open. Okay, so driver equal to new FireFoxDriver. Okay, so browser should be open, and what should we do now after launching the browser? We should maximize browser, so driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. So we have created two methods in this class, which is load properties and initialization. So this test base class, ये class inherit होगी in all the pages, in all classes other than the test base. Okay. So I will teach you in second video that how to create pages and how to create the test cases and how to call that driver and how to launch a browser. So please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video then like it. Okay guys, thank you, and please subscribe the channel, don't forget.